Oh, hello there. Season's greetings to you all. I trust you have had a very festive holidays and have partaken in a few largers to celebrate the new year in style. My channel is nowhere near big enough to warrant an update or announcement video, but I think it would be nice to include it as a chronological series of events for the channel. Despite wanting to be busy this year, in fact, I don't think I've uploaded a single video, I have not been productive. In fact, I have been reproductive and have made myself a little bee. So he is my priority right now. But while I have not been able to use my hands, I have been keeping my brain busy by learning in the small downtime that we have together. I wanted the projects that I make to be able to provide me a stepping stone to learn from, but in this dwell of content I have actually accrued a lot of knowledge, so some order events may be blurred in upcoming videos. The few videos I have uploaded, I have been adding a number of subscribers to, because a few YouTubers that I watch, I have always wondered how much subscribers did they have when they released this particular video, so I thought I would add it to my own as a bit of history. With that, some of the upcoming projects may be condensed and all have the same subscriber count, since most of my 19 subscribers right now are my friends and family. Hello guys, you alright? Hit my DMs. Love you. But I'm not disheartened. This channel is made for fun and to share learning experiences and, dare I say it, inspire a few people. Uploading things you have done where the whole world can criticise makes you put more effort into things that I can make. If I was not making a video about it, I could just say meh, good enough, and then move on. So producing videos makes me elevate my game, and they say teaching others is a good way of reinforcing your own learning. So anyway, I am hopeful that I can upload a video this year, but if not, oh well, see you in 2027. One thing I have learnt though is, apart from the time to design, buy and build things, the video editing process can take just as long, if not longer, at least for me. I find the video editing part is just as a creative process as the entire thing I'm building, so I need to put some time into making a good video also. For example, I am very proud of the Rat King videos, which took me time to learn some of the video editing tools, which I got few views on, but compared to the programming a Rat King video, which I just stick video clips together without any fancy editing, it got more views, so I think it's rather the topic over the production value of the video. So my goals for 2026, get monetized, a far cry I know, but if I can offload some video editing, maybe more videos can happen. I have probably got 4 or 5 projects on the go right now, without even finishing one, so because we all know there's nothing more enticing than a new project. So I have taken enough of your precious time. Let me leave you with some teaser footage which you can expect in, let's say, 2027, let's be realistic about it, and ta-ta for now, and have a great new year.
These are the Guardian Stones.
I'm trying to make one of these,
Right.
actual size, so
life size.
Well, I mean not 7 foot, but 6 foot. But so just so we know a sense of scale. So I had a compass just to make sure that it was always pointing north, as you can see it does. The Great Circle Path is actually a bearing that goes along a sphere. So that's in the centre, so I am actually at the location where I wanted to set off. What we can do then is make a simple program which, when I click, we have our plane now. Oh, it looks like it's working so far. Ah, there he is. Legend. Do you know who I am? Do you know who I am? Do you know what I've got in my bag? It's a gun. I made this tab to show me the rest of the party members. I know Ice Beam is effective using Articuno. God, I miss my old Pokedex. Look at the pixels, you can count them. Yes, we know, Charizard, shut up.